Enjoy the bold flavors of my chicken curry pasta recipe, a creamy and spicy fusion dish perfect for dinner. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil, then adding in your salt and your pasta. Cook it until al dente and then strain. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chicken. To cut raw chicken, I like to use a hard plastic cutting board instead of a wooden one, and so I'll cut my chicken breasts in long half-inch strips and then cut the strips into half-inch pieces. For the veggies, I like to prepare some shallots and some garlic, chopping them finely, and also some tomatoes. The tomatoes, I like them a little bigger, maybe like a 1/4-inch cube. Once all your ingredients are chopped up, preheat a large skillet or pan on medium-high heat, and then I'll melt some coconut oil here, or you can use butter. And once it's nice and hot, I'll place my half-inch cubes of chicken in the pan. Give them a nice sear on one side, seasoning them with some pepper and some salt. Then I'll add in my chopped shallots and garlic, cooking them for a couple minutes, and then adding in my curry powder, turmeric powder, some freshly grated ginger root. Cook the seasoning for a few minutes to bring out all the aromatics, and then deglaze the pan by adding the cubed tomatoes. Add in 1 can of coconut milk. Stir it in so that it gets all of the nice spices, and then bring to a simmer. Cook for a few minutes and then add in the frozen green peas. Let them simmer in the sauce until they're just thawed out, and then you're ready to add in the cooked and drained pasta. Stir everything together and you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.